Hi everyone, Vinci Pat Coach here and I'm with Ma'am Aubrey. She is a aesthetic clinic business owner. And Ma'am Aubrey, I would like to ask, ano ba yung dahilan bakit nagkita tayo ngayon?
Okay, so
Oo naman yung mic, di ba? Okay.
of course I contacted Engineer Vince kasi I was having problems with my page since yung mother page ko which I created my business page, uh, ano bang term doon nawala? Di ba?
Ah,
Got restricted.
got restricted.
Got restricted by Meta. So wala na akong access sa page.
And yun yung business page
Yun
nyo.
yung business page ko. Yun yung main business page. So I asked Engineer Vince to help me with that problem. And of course, I also asked him to teach me how to set up an ad.
Wow,
In other words.
and actually, na-amaze ako kasi she finally set up an ad, Meta Ads, and successful yung kasi from start to finish eh. Na walang restriction.
Nakapublish na tayo.
Oo, nakapublish
I
na siya.
published my first ad.
Yan.
So in less than an hour,
In less than an hour. Plus, na-solve pa yung
nasolve pa yung access ko. So may access na ako sa business page ko. And then I published my very first ad.
Plus, add ko na lang din, Ma'am Aubrey, no? Yung meron ka ng Meta Business Portfolio.
Yes, meron akong Meta business.
Naintindihan mo na rin yung hierarchy
Yes,
ng
of
Meta.
course.
So, that's very important to every business.
Oo, I think so too. Kailangan talaga yun ng, I think lahat ng business owners, kailangan talaga magkaroon kahit basic knowledge sa Meta.
Yes.
Especially dito sa ads management.
Yan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Aubrey.
Thank you, sir. Engineer.
Thank you.
So,